so welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening the Infans foldable baby walker for boys and girls, 2-in-1 toddler walker. So my son is about 8.5 months old. He is trying to stand, he wants to walk, but he is not walking yet. So I got this walker here from Amazon. I will put the link in the description. And I got it specifically because it is black and white. I did not want a whole bunch of color. In my home, everything is white and black, so this fits perfectly with my decor. So if you are like me and you want a walker that is neutral, white or black, this may be the one for you. We're going to open it. I'm going to put him in it and see if he likes it, if it's worth the money, all of that good stuff. All right, let's go. They give you the user's manual, and then there are a bunch of pieces that it looks like we're going to have to use. And there's wheels. So it looks like there's two black wheels, two white wheels, and look, these are look like the bumpers. So it's telling us to turn it upside down like this. So they're saying these two white wheels are for the front. Now, child, which way is the front? Okay, that's the front. So we're gonna put the two white wheels in the front. That was simple enough. Now we're going to put the rear wheels in. And now it says the safe rubbers, put them in their appropriate housings. So there are four, these feel like rubber bumpers, and you just, looks like you just put them in these holes. Okay, so we have all our bumpers on here. Switch the frame over to the upright position. Now there is a tag here. It's now telling us to turn the walker over, and it wants us to open the frame in the in-use position. Okay, so it's telling us that the seat pad is already partially installed, and for us to install the rest. So it's all done. So that took me about 12 minutes to put together, and I will say the only part about the instructions is that they don't really tell you how to put the tabs in, but if you're a visual person, you can quickly figure it out. They do have 3 already with the tabs. It's okay, baby. I'm about to put you in. And so you have to put the rest of the tabs in the seat, but it feels pretty cushioned back here. There is an adjustable strap. So I'm about to grab baby Cash and put him in. All right, so we are going to test out the Infans 2-in-1 baby walker. Okay. You like that? Yay! You like your walker? Okay, so it looks like I think this is a good height for him. He is able to, he's kind of standing and he's doing really well. So I think this is the perfect height. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on the hard floor to see if he can kind of move it, because it's not really moving. It's hard to move on this carpet. So I'm gonna test it out, all right? So this is moving very easily and smoothly on the hard surface. I'm not moving it too fast because he's in it, but I can instantly tell that this works very well. So a hardwood floor, tile, laminate, you want to probably keep it on a hard surface if you want the baby to move around. But if you want the baby stationary, the carpet was fine. That is like, I have a lot of rivets in that carpet. It's a little textured, so maybe that's why. But let's see, Cashy, come here. Cashy. Yay! Okay, so I would give this, just my first reaction, I would give this about, I'm gonna say an 8 out of a 10. And the only reason I'm giving 8 out of 10 is would not move, not even a little bit on the carpet, and I thought this could be, you know, carpet friendly or hard floor friendly. So 8 out of 10. It may go up once he starts using it and we like it more, and it's okay. So I'll give a follow-up review in about 2 weeks once he starts using it and kind of see if we still like it. So again, this is the Infans foldable baby walker for boys and girls, 2-in-1 walker. Now they're calling it 2-in-1 because they're saying, as you can see on the back, they said the baby can hold onto this handle and push it as a walker. I'm not going to allow him to do that for safety reasons, but that is an option. That's the 2-in-1 feature of this foldable walker. All right, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The link to this walker is going to be in the description. If you get it or already have it, let me know in the comments and let me know what you think about it. Say bye. You not gonna say bye?